a lesson from Flanders. You know, inject your services with a little razzle-dazzle.
Oh, I already do. If by razzle you mean piety, and by dazzle you mean scriptural accuracy.
What a tool. I'm richer than you. Look out, Jonah! It's a whale! Jonah! 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 Yeah!
The only just solution is to cut the baby in half. Wait a minute. I killed a baby! I'm a monster!
I can't take anymore. Ned, there's more to the Bible than blood and gore.
Oh, I guess you'd rather see a film about a liberal European wizard school or the latest sexcapade of Miss Ashley Judd.
Well, I don't like this movie.